Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and it's great to be filming again. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I won in this cute little makeup bag from Destinie Cope. I'll link all her information down below. And what I received from her in the giveaway was makeup from Laura Lee Los Angeles. And I love watching Laura Lee Los Angeles on YouTube, but I've never tried her makeup, so I'm very excited to try it. So for starters, we got this cute makeup bag. It looks like this and it has a zipper. And then once we unzip it, it has all the goodies that I won. And it also has a zipper right here, which is really nice. And then just to give you an overview of how Destinie packed it, which thank you so much. I'm so glad that I won this and I'm so excited. The first thing that I see in this bag is this beauty blender. It's a LL Beauty sponge. Super cute coloring. And then we have the Party Animal palette. It looks like this in the front and looks like that in the back. And then once you open it, there is a mirror and these are the colors. Super pretty. Very pretty. And then the next thing that I see in here is two single eyeshadows. These are the colors. There's a blue and there's a green. So the blue one is called Cobalt Cat. And then the green one is called Sweet Pea. And they're very pretty. This one's the green one and then that's the blue. And then the next thing that I see in here is this. Laura Lee Los Angeles on it, and then that's the back. And then when you open it, it looks like this. So what goes in here is the single eyeshadows, which I will be putting in a little bit. And then the next and the last thing in the makeup bag is this, and that's the back. It's Glazed Bronze Lit Kiss. It's a highlighter palette. So let me just open it up really quick and then I will show you what it looks like inside. Wow, it comes with two. Okay. Super pretty packaging. This one's the Glazed Lit Kit and it does come with a big mirror and there's all the products. And then this one's the Bronze Lit Kit. So super pretty coloring. I'm so excited to dive into these. And also, I like using highlighters or like shimmers from highlighters as eyeshadow too. It works both ways. All right, now that we opened the makeup bag too, this is how deep it goes. Super nice. I love everything that I got and thank you so much once again for sending all these products to me. Now that we've seen everything that I won in the giveaway, and once again thank you so much Destinie, and I will leave all the information down below of all the products that I received and all of Destinie's information. Now, let's get on to the makeup and try these products out. I'm so excited. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have all my makeup products laid out in front of me, and the first step that I'm gonna do is put on some primer. And the primer that I'm using today is this e.l.f. one. It's the Poreless Putty Primer. I feel like it works best with me. And I have oily skin too. And I feel like it helps control that oil. Okay. Now that our face is primed, we are gonna conceal our eyebrows because I did fill out my eyebrows already just to have them done. And then we are gonna open the beauty blender. I'm gonna keep it dry. I tend to like having my beauty blenders dry rather than dampening them. From time to time I will dampen them, but for the most part I like to have them dry. I feel like it's just easier for me. And I feel like sometimes when it is wet, it does make like the product patchy in certain areas or lift in certain areas. I don't know if that happens with everybody, but it definitely happens with me. I don't know if it deals with like my skin, like since it is oily or what, but most of the time when I do dampen the beauty sponge, it tends to break the makeup on my face instead of leaving it like all, if that makes any sense. And then I am going to put some powder over because we are gonna dip into some eyeshadow, and I like setting the concealer before we do that. And then I think I'm gonna open up the party animal. So my phone had not enough storage, so I had to stop and delete some stuff. So I don't know what I was saying, but I'm gonna start with this color right here. It's kind of like a greenish yellow. It's called It's a Party. And I will be putting that in my crease. And then I don't know how pigmented her eyeshadows are or anything. Like I said before, this will be my first time trying her products. So far so good. I feel like it does build up really nicely. Like the brightness is kind of settled though. It still has a lot of pigment, but it is very settled. And then I'm gonna put it on the other eye as well. And like I said, I'm just kind of looking at the camera so my eye makes that crease. And then I'm just swaying back and forth to blend out the product. And this color is very, very pretty. And then I am gonna try bringing it up a little higher as well, just because I will be putting a different color in the crease with this color. That way, once the look is done, you'll be able to see it all. Okay, now that that is done, I think I want to go into this bright orange. It's called Drinks, and that's gonna go in my crease. So then we are, ooh, this orange is very pigmented. I love it. And then we're just swaying back and forth with that. And it's okay if it looks messy right now. We'll go back in and clean it up later on. And sorry if I'm looking up or to the side. My mirror is right behind the camera, so I do apologize for that if I'm looking kind of all over the place. I definitely love this orange though. It is very pigmented. And the greenish yellow is also pigmented, but I feel like the orange is more pigmented than the yellow. But maybe I should have used like a eyeshadow primer or anything, but I did not. I just used concealer today and powder over the concealer, so that could be why as well. And then right now I just dipped into that yellow again, and I'm going over the top again just to blend it all out. So there's no harsh lines or anything. These colors look beautiful together. So this is what we're working with right this second. I'm gonna go back in with the orange a little bit just to deepen it up a little more. I am so sorry, my phone keeps cutting me off and I don't know where it cut me off, but what I did is I went in with It's a Party, which is that yellow green shade, and I put it on the top. I went over it, and then I went into Drinks again, and then just did a little more of the orange so it stood out a little more. And now what I'm doing is I'm gonna be cutting my crease, and then I am gonna put, I think, bottoms up in my crease. I think that would look really pretty. It's a sparkly pink color. Well, it's a neon pink color. I'm gonna go in with bottoms up, which is this pink sparkly eyeshadow, and placing that all on my lid. And to be honest, this color is very subtle as of right now, but we will be building it up in just a second. So my phone kept cutting me off, so I'm sorry if the clips are a little like all over the place. But anyways, so I did finish my eyeshadow right now. So now that my foundation, powder, and bronzer are all on and blended out, I'm going in with the Glazed Lip Kit, and I think I'm gonna try using this color as a blush. It's called Rose All Day. And no, it isn't a blush, but I will try my best. It does have that pinky color, and wow, this is very shimmery. Well, of course, it's a highlighter, so it will be a bit shimmery. And now, since I have that on, I am gonna go over it with an actual blush to give it a little more pinky color. It's California from Benefit. Just because I will be putting highlighter on as well. I don't want to look too glowy, but I wanted my blush to have a little bit more of a glower tint under it. It looks very pretty under my blush. And then I am gonna put a little blush on my nose at just the tip, because I think it makes it have a cuter look. And then for highlighter, I'm still gonna use the Glazed kit and use this color called Diamonds for my actual highlight. And I'm just gonna go on my nose with it, and then the tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow. And her highlighters are gorgeous. Can you see that? Like, blinding. I love it though. It's perfect for the summer too, because you want to look very glowy during the summer. You only need a little bit. So now that my blush and highlighter are on, I'm gonna go off camera, put some mascara on, and do some eyeliner, and throw on either a lip gloss or a lipstick, and I will show you the final look after. And so far, I've been loving these products too, and this highlight is to die for. So I just finished the makeup look, and I think it turned out gorgeous. Thank you so much, Destiny, again, for all the stuff that I won in this giveaway. I will leave all her information down below. And I'm obsessed with the Laura Lee Los Angeles makeup. I'm definitely gonna have to purchase more from her. I hope you had fun and enjoying watching my YouTube, and have a good day. Bye!